But I'm not understanding how a $5,000 fine for violating a gag order, not once, not twice, but 3 times, and violating a direct order of yourself, your smart, seasoned, intelligent, clear-minded self, ordered 2 weeks ago that he take down that social media post chastising your clerk. He didn't do that. He also proceeded to violate that gag order by talking crap on you and Miss Letitia James. Not only that, but by posting her address online. And you, sir, do this? $5,000?
Yes, this is laughable. Recently, the judge overseeing former President Trump's New York civil fraud trial fined the former president $5,000 on Friday for violating his gag order, according to a court filing. Liberals are not happy with this. They thought he would lock Trump up. Some says the amount of money is very small. How can you fine a billionaire just $5,000? I don't know if you have seen some of these videos. I'm going to play that so you can see exactly what is going on. Sometimes when I look at crazy liberals, I'm just amazed, like seeing how they are melting down social media.
Just found out that
if you have not subscribed to this channel,
the New York fraud case against Donald Trump
why not share all this video?
Fine Donald Trump $5,000 for violating his gag order. Not jail time, not prison time like he was suggesting he was going to do this morning, but a measly 4-figure fine against a guy who is reportedly worth billions of dollars. We know he's not actually worth billions, but you get the point. This is pennies. This is chump change. Not to mention, Donald Trump violated a gag order, which if I did that, you know I would be going to prison. But because Donald Trump is a former president, he's been treated with kid gloves time and time again. This is disgraceful. This is a slap on the wrist for Donald Trump, a guy who literally harassed a female clerk to his millions of bloodthirsty followers on Truth Social. This is ridiculous. He should not have been fined. He should be imprisoned like the judge originally had planned, but evidently backed out. This is bad.
The former president was hit with a $5,000 fine and threatened with jail time today for violating a gag order in his New York fraud trial. The judge said a social media post attacking the judge's clerk remained visible on Trump's campaign website more than 2 weeks after he was ordered to take it down.
You might be thinking that is all. There is another video where the meltdown is even increasing like never before.
Because then I would understand. But I'm not understanding how a $5,000 fine for violating a gag order, not once, not twice, but 3 times, and violating a direct order of yourself, your smart, seasoned, intelligent, clear-minded self, ordered 2 weeks ago that he take down that social media post chastising your clerk. He didn't do that. He also proceeded to violate that gag order by talking crap on you and Miss Letitia James. Not only that, but by posting her address online. And you, sir, do this? $5,000? Make no mistake, future violations, whether intentional or unintentional, will lead to far more severe sanctions, including possibly imprisoning Trump. Now, see, I fully stand behind this bottom sentence, right? Your thoughts here, sir. I'm with you. I got you. He's already violated it. He already violated it. He knew that this hearing was coming. He knew that the motion was filed. And sir, quite frankly, he is a danger to society. And the longer that you keep him out free in the world without showing him what actual justice is, as he spouts there is a two-tier justice system and everybody and all of you are being used against him, show him what a true justice system actually is. He violated the gag order.
Yes, it is so delicious to see how liberal tears are falling down partaking to this. If you don't know what is going on, initially when this gag order was issued, Trump immediately deleted that post on Truth Social. I don't know if there was another post on his website. Media Touch published an article pertaining to that. I think that article stirred up this joy to say, oh, I asked you to delete a post and you never did so, which Trump deleted. So the lawyer had to make the judge understand that immediately they took the post down. When you see Libras coming here to cry, do insane videos pertaining to this, it baffles me. They say the $5,000 is not enough. They could slap Trump with 100, 200,000. Maybe they could be happy. Some actually insisted that he could face prison terms. That they are doing this for Trump for so long, and it's like they are just joking with all this. You saw the second video, how this guy went off to a certain level I didn't understand. I will read out this article now so you can understand exactly what is actually going on. Judge Otto did not hold Trump in contempt as he threatened earlier on Friday, but said that future violations, whether intentional or unintentional, could result in possible jail time or steeper financial penalties. The big picture, Angoron earlier on Friday said that a Truth Social post attacking his law clerk remained accessible on Trump's campaign site for more than 2 weeks, despite an order to remove the post earlier this month. I learned that the subject post was never removed from the website. Angoran said in court Friday per CNN. The judge added that the post was removed only after the court emailed Trump's legal team late Thursday. I will now provide defendants an opportunity to explain why this blatant violation of this gag order should not result in serious sanctions, including financial penalties and or possibly imprisonment. Trump attorney apologized. Trump returned to the Manhattan courthouse this week for his trial, voluntarily appearing in person several times in recent weeks in an unusual campaign.
Somebody can say, well, Your Honor, you have to throw out this case because it's just like another case. Well, is it just like another case? What if the defendant was wearing a red sweater instead of a blue sweater? Well, that's an extreme example. That wouldn't distinguish most cases, but there are other facts that do. Maybe the education of somebody who supposedly entered into a contract would decide whether the contract was binding.
I testified in front of Congress about something so simple.